What do I do with my leather? On the counter, I'm sure you're asked frequently what to use on leather seats and to clean and condition them. Leather seating surfaces can be tricky. Do your customers a favor and take the time to explain to them about their seats. Leather is considered the most durable and luxurious seating surface available. It is expensive and should be cared for correctly. It is most important to remember that leather as a material was once part of a living animal. It is not synthetic and was not manufactured from a petroleum-based product. Certainly the leather has been through many processes and treatments, but in the end, it is still the hide of a living animal. Caring for leather seats comes down to two things: clean, then condition. The cleaning process should begin with removing any loose dirt that has accumulated on the surface. This may be accomplished with a soft brush, microfiber towel, and a vacuum. Once the surface is cleaned of surface particles, it is time to apply a good leather cleaner. There are many available in spray and liquid forms. Whichever product you use, it is critical to follow the directions closely. Never ever use a harsh cleaner or chemical to attempt to remove a stubborn stain. Once the original color or surface of the leather is damaged, it cannot be corrected. Another thing to be cautious of is the use of too much water. If water is being used, it should be applied sparingly on a soft cloth. Now that the surface is clean and dry, it is time to condition the leather. These products attempt to put the moisture and lubricants back into the surface of the leather. They come in liquid and paste form. Whichever type is chosen, it's important to follow the directions carefully. Once dry, give the seats a quick buffing with a microfiber towel and stand back and admire the beautiful leather. Thanks for watching.